Hello everyone, Dab Rasps here. Today I'm gonna show you how to play Freedoom on your computer. First open your web browser, then type Freedoom. Then I'll tell you some quick information about it. Freedoom is basically a free alternative of Doom on the same engine. It's pretty obvious, but if you didn't know, you'll have to run it in a source port. So, you go to freedoom.github.io, go to download, Freedoom Phase 1 plus 2. It will download shortly after. Then you go to Crispy Doom in your search bar. Open this link, Fabian Griffith/Crispy Doom, and it should also have releases at the end. Otherwise, you'll end up at its main page, which contains the source code and stuff, which you don't even need right now. So we should be on this releases page. You gotta scroll down. There are assets. If they're collapsed, expand them. Then download Crispy Doom Win64 or any other version you need to run on your computer. Open the folder and extract Crispy Doom. Then you gotta extract Freedoom. Go to the Freedoom folder, copy Freedoom 1 and Freedoom 2. Freedoom. Yeah, that's why they used such a name. Then go to Crispy Doom, paste, and then you make a folder. Name it any way you like. I'll name it Freedoom for convenience, of course. Put both of the mods into this folder. You know why? Because we want to run those games separately, right? So each time you need a specific WAD, like Freedoom 2, you can copy it from this folder and paste it just like that. Then open Crispy Doom setup. More info, run anyway if your Windows Defender is alarming you about it. Then go to sound, native MIDI, so the music would sound right. Close and quit. Save settings. Click yes. Then open Crispy Doom. More info, run anyway, because it happens again. I'm running it on the first one. And there you go. Here it is. Right in front of you. Waiting for you to play. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.